Good morning guys, in front of me is Honor 600 Lite, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select System and Updates, and enter Backup and Restore. Here click on Backup to Google, and now you can smoothly activate your Google Backup by using the stop indicator. Just mark, and it should be already active, but if... Okay, so everything is backed all together, like photos and other device data. Sometimes you will notice two options where you can backup either photos by itself and then also the rest of data, but in that case, on this device, you can backup everything at once. So that's it, that would be all. Obviously, whenever you want to switch the backup off, just unmark the stop indicator. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.